Hello, my name is Maria Luisa Carrion, and we are going to talk about the infinitives and gerunds, the differences, right? Because I noticed that some Spanish students, they have some problems when they want to use infinitives or gerunds. In this sense, we are going to learn here how to use or the rules in English that we have to apply when we don't know if we have to use an infinitive or a gerund. First, we are going to talk about the infinitives without to, right? Here you have the rules that you have to apply. You have to use an infinitive without to after a modal auxiliary verb. For example, can you help me? And you can say, can you to help me, etc. Or some Spanish students, they used to say must to go. No, remember, must go, right? No to after a modal auxiliary verb. Then after let, make, hear, feel, and watch and notice, we don't have to use to before the infinitive. Did you feel the earth move? The passive form of this verb use the infinitive with to. He has made to pay back the money, right? So notice that this changes, right? Remember this. After why or why not take a holiday? Right? Remember that you don't have to use to. After an or except but, than, as, and like. I like to lie down and go to sleep, right? After rather than wait anymore, I decided to go. After do, with expressions like all I did was, what I do is. All I did was give him a little push, right? Well, now we are going to change to the infinitives with to. You have to use or to express the infinitive and use the two prepositions after the following verbs: offer, agree, refuse, decide, plan, arrange, hope, etc. You can see them in the transparency. For example, they seem to be very happy. After ask, decide, know, remember, forget, etc. Plus a question word, I'll tell you what to do. Then another aspect is when you have to use the verb plus ing form, right? That is not the gerund. Remember that the ing form is different, right? We have to use the ing form of the verb after enjoy, mind, suggest, stop, delay, fancy, consider, admit. You have all the verbs here. For example, he tried to avoid answering my question. After imagine, stop, and keep. Sorry to keep you waiting so long. After preposition, excluding to. Peter insisted on coming with us. But notice that there are some verbs that can take ing or to form, right? The verbs are those that you can see here. Advise, allow, can, bear, begin, continue. But you can use them. You can use the ing form or to infinitive with to, and it doesn't matter. I mean, it doesn't change the meaning. But sometimes the meaning of some of the verbs change, and then you have to take this into account. Let's go to see. For example, in the case of remember, if you use after remember a verb in ing form, that means that you remember doing something after you have done it. I clearly remember locking the door, right? You remember that, right? Doing that. When you use remember plus to infinitive, you remember to do something before you do it. Please remember to post the letter, right? In Spanish, it's quite different because when we use remember with the ing form, that means me acuerdo, acordarse, right? And when we say please remember to post the letter, acuérdate de mandar la carta, right? Then, but with ing form, say me acuerdo or recuerdo. You can also say recordar with remember here. But with when we use the verb plus infinitive, it's only in Spanish we can say acuérdate, right? Regret. When it's used with ing form, it's like you can say an example here. I regret doing something. I'm sorry. And when it's used followed by an infinitive, I regret to say you, to inform, to tell you, I'm sorry, but this happened, right? With the verb go on, plus ing form is to continue, or when it's followed by to an infinitive is do or say something new. Try, when it's used by ing form, that means that you do something as an experiment or a test. For example, try pressing the green button. And when it's used and it's got after try to infinitive, that means attempt to do, make an effort. I try to keep my eyes open. In the case of need, it's when need is followed by an ing form, that means that something needs to be done. The batteries needs charging, right? That needs to be done, right? And when need is used, and it's followed by to an infinitive, that means I need to do something. I need to make a telephone call, right? Help, when you use can help like ing, I can stop myself doing something. For example, I can't stop smoking. And when you use help plus to infinitive, that means that you are helping. Everybody help to clean after the party, or clean after the party. That's the difference, right? Stop, the action ceased, finished, I stop smoking, plus to by infinitive is we stop one action in order to begin another. He stopped walking to light a cigarette. Notice the difference. In the first one, followed by ing form is when the action stops, right? And the other one, you stop and begin another one. Right. Notice that after like, love, hate, can be or enjoy, dislike, mind, and can understand, they are often followed by ing form. We tend to use ing form, although we can use both forms. But after love, hate, and can bear, to plus infinitive can also be used, right? In the case of like, I like doing, I enjoy it. In the case of I like to do something, I think it's good or right to do it. On would like, you have more examples here. And now, to finish, we are going to talk about the gerund. The gerund, it's like a noun in English, right? Then you don't have to confound the ing form with the gerund. The gerund, they have got the same form, but they are different. The gerund is a noun, as you can see. It can be a subject or the object or a complement of a sentence. You can see the example here. Smoking is bad for you, right? And that's all. I hope it will have been useful for you.